Hold prism steady, reading now. Control point A locked.
Keep the alignment clear.
Borehole 1, start slow.
Label depth at 5 meters.
Blow count, 20. Go!
Watch the silt fence edge. Oh!
Grade to my
Diagonal matches, good square.
cut to the blue line only. Truck 3 forward 1 meter.
Off zone, over excavate 300.
Copy that, noting the change in depth.
Hold, check, plumb!
Keep thickness at 75 mil.
Swing easy, 2 inches left.
Prime complete, watch the gauge.
Turbidity within limit. Turbidity, Beppo
Pile V07, confirm location. Depth achieved. Hold rotation.
Easy down, keep it centered. One good.
Slump good, start the tremmy. Stop at cut line, don't nick bars.
Corner elevation matches, lock it.
Maintain 75 millimeter cover. Check chairs.
Sleeve 12 goes to the control room.
Rebar approved, ready for pour. Start at cap A, steady flow. Vibrate that corner, no honeycomb. Air content recorded. Keep moving.
Hold traffic, hose crossing.
Conduit stub at 1.2 meters set.
Next Liz. Next loop, move 1 meter.
Seam overlap, minimum 100 millimeters.
Keep compactor off the wall face. Tight, no sway.
Slow the pour, watch pressure.
Invert elevation matches. Proceed.
Drain channel aligned, hold it. Slope to sump, check your level. Torque to spec, then mark paint.
Opening must fit the fan skid.
Arrow downstream, lock the strap.
Damper frame, true, don't rack it.
Tray left.
Maintain radius, no sharp bends.
Coupling seated, torque to spec.
Gas meter green. Continue drilling.
Hanger at chainage 0 plus 180, lock it. Airflow arrow toward exit, confirm. Clear. Position, set the isolators.
Shim to level, within 1 millimeter. Clear the jam, inch it in.
Isolator type matches, sign it off. Gasket continuous, no gaps at corners.
Blade swings free, tag and seal.
Keep signal tray separate. Maintain gap.
Seal every seam. No exposed edges.
Have expected from the straight edges.
Leave access for damper service.
Fire rated board, stamp visible here.
Corners first.
Even coat, no holidays on edges. Yeah, right, you know, form.
You're at 10 meters, go. Label both ends, match the IO list. Torque verified, apply witness mark. Wind rising, hold the panel steady.
Check weep holes. Keep them clear.
Tie off before stepping past purlin.
Seam locked, move to next bay.
In Megger test.
Point 214 toggled, see it on HMI?
Bump test. 3, 2, 1.
Log the time.
Jetfan 03 mapped, verify run command.
Fan running. Current within limits.
Arming detectors, stand by for smoke. Sequence active, fans to emergency mode.
Alarm acknowledged. Log timestamp now.
Seal this joint, then recheck.
Lens installed. Fixture sealed again.
All right, paint the witness mark.
Auto sequence running. Confirm all fans.
Dashboard shows airflow and alarms live. Acceptance signed. Handover complete.
Airflow stable. System online.
Remove fence. Leave the bollards.
Normal mode confirmed. Log event ID. Emergency phone tested. Good signal.
Placard installed. Project compliant.
System steady. Handover ready.
Site clear. Closeout complete.
Subscribe, like, and share.